taking a second weight measurement on a stock 2024 Kove 450 Rally Street Legal version. The gas tanks are completely full right now at about 7.8 gallons of fuel. I weighed it empty yesterday. See how much it weighs. Stock full gas tanks. Front axle is at 79.6 kilograms. 79.6 kilograms times 2.21 pounds. 175.92 pounds front axle. Now let's move the scale to the back. I use the wood here to make sure there is no angle difference between the front and the rear axles. So now we'll weigh the rear axle. So 92.4 kilograms plus 92.4 kilograms times 2.21 pounds. So the bike fully fueled weighs 380 pounds. Very manageable for a lightweight adventure bike, especially for shorter trips where you're not going to be filling up the tanks all the way to 8 gallons. If you find this type of content useful, please consider subscribing and hit that like button to be notified of future content.